Hey guys, it's Jerry Middleman Battaglia, working on the 55. So check out the progress. So we hung the passenger side door, got the Bel Air emblem on there, rear bumper on, rear lights, got the deck lid on, and the emblem so far. Now we're gonna hang the front door. And get this bad boy back. Put the nose on today too. Guys, subscribe to my channel, like and share the videos. Leave your comments down below. We're gonna get this old race car back together today. Little by little. Okay, get the license plate bracket on, trunk locks. We have all the trim, as you can see. Everything was bagged. Some trim in here, trim inside the car, and little by little get it back together. The doors are back on, sit nice. It's pretty fun to do this. It's awesome. So guys, stay in touch, hit that bell notification, subscribe to the channel. Jerry Middleman Battaglia in the 55 Chevy, 2-door post car, the Jeff race car. Classic race car from here from Long Island, New York. Have a great day.